Welcome to qnawire.
Given the sample size of 45, a sample mean of 56.9, and a sample standard deviation of 9.4, we want to construct a 99% confidence interval for the population mean to one decimal place. The confidence interval is the sample mean plus or minus the critical z times the standard deviation over the square root of the sample size. And so that would be 56.9 plus or minus the critical z here is going to be 2.576 at 99%. The sample standard deviation 9.4 and the sample size 45. And so I'm just checking the first part here. We find the first part by subtracting 56.9 minus 2.576 times 9.4 over the square root of 45, and that's 53.3. And the upper boundary is found by adding, and that's 60.5, which checks out. If the sample size were 46 instead, would the confidence interval be narrower or wider? Well, you could just test it by replacing the 45 with 46, and that would become 60.47 for the upper boundary and 53.33 for the and this would have been 53.29 to two places. So what's happening is it's narrowing, making the confidence interval would be, I'm not sure what your choices are, but they would be narrower, increasing the sample size.